If your child is snoring in sleep, don't you take it lightly. Recent research at Maryland University in US has revealed that snoring is an indication of sleep apnea, and it's also a clear indication of obstructive sleep disordered breathing, or OSDB, obstructive sleep disordered breathing. What happens is, over a period of time, it has a significant impact on the frontal cortex region of the brain, and it leads to childhood issues like inattention, hyperactivity, obviously attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Uh, the ADHD is a definite possibility. Now, as this child grows up, there is every chance that the child might end up with a slow or a retarded ABCD, the adolescent brain cognitive development, which might lead to a lot of issues in social interaction and behavioral areas. So, if your child is snoring, do not take it lightly. It's a clear indication of obstructive sleep disordered breathing, which in turn would lead to a host of complications in the frontal cortex of the brain, leading to a lot of issues like ADHD, problems with social interactions, and problems with cognition, problems with ABCD, the adolescent brain cognitive development, and a host of other issues. So do not take snoring lightly. It's an indication of real trouble in the future. Thank you very much.